video, I'm going to show you how to play this hymn with a very simple arrangement. Let's start with the first phrase. The left hand goes C, C, F, G, F, G. It's relatively straightforward, and we'll put the hand together. Yeah. Please watch my previous video for the melody. If you are new to playing the keyboard, you might want to practice 2 bars a time. And then you can move down to the next one. So now we're going to move into the second phrase. On the left hand, it's fairly straightforward. It's C, G, C, G. Okay, we'll put both hands together. Remember, for the melody line, you need to stretch your first 2 fingers slightly. Yeah. Again, you might do 2 bars a time. And then move to the second half. For the next phrase, the left hand is very similar to the first phrase. It's still C, C, F, G. Okay, for the last phrase, it's straightforward again. On the left hand, you have C, G, and a C. Yeah. This score is quite easy. It only has melody and a bass line. If you want to add a few chords in between, that can also work. So you will consider the bass line as the root position of each chord. So we'll play C chord instead of just C. And we'll play F chord. Yeah, or that way. And instead of G, we'll use the G chord. Or this way. Yeah. So as you can see, we only have C and F and a G on the bass line. It's effectively you only have 3 chords. Yeah, C, F, G, or chord 1, chord 4, chord 5. And if you get used to it, you think 1, 4, 1, 5, 1. Yeah. So you can play like this.